Data entry is a breeze with TDC DMS Pro. You'll save countless hours by scanning all of your vehicles and customers into the system with the cutting-edge dealer apps. No more entering VIN numbers manually or copying information from a customer's driver's license. Simply scan the barcode on the vehicle and the customer's driver's license to add the information to the CRM and the DMS at once. Our patented software can push information seamlessly from the CRM to the DMS to your lenders and much, much more. Desking functions are one of the highlights of this automotive software. For that reason, everything you need is on one screen. Book values, credit reports, vehicle history, and deal calculators are all right there. Above all, with TDC DMS Pro you can focus on the numbers instead of how the DMS system works. Back-end Fondi products are built right into this dealership software. Warranty, and insurance is one click away. Printing is one click of the button with this easy-to-use DMS software. Form packs are created for you by your trainer at your initial training. With one click you can print all the legal forms needed for your deal. No more searching around your car dealer software for a certain form. TDC DMS Pro offers full integration to cut out double entry. At the time of purchase is where you make most of your profit. Our dealer management software along with our DMS apps are the best buyer's tools available. Quickly and easily book vehicles, get vehicle history reports, research the auction lanes, and research pricing trends. Fees are a necessary part of a car deal to offset your costs. This dealer software gives you the ability to add, edit, or remove any or all fees in your default settings. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your DMS software has your fees covered. Back-end product integrations are a major highlight for any full-featured dealer management software. There are many warranty, and insurance choices just one click away. We not only give you the tools, we teach you how to use this DMS system to increase your profits. After the sale there is still profit to be made. TDC DMS Pro can manage all your aftermarket parts and services including handling the billing, inventory, bookkeeping with QuickBook integration and even payment processing. Reach out to TDC Digital Media today to integrate all of your dealer networks today.